Can't be perfect every time. While I give Hal some pointers on his run, check out our next machine.
Next on Mega Machines, a Titanic transporter with a talent for cutting right to the root of the problem of moving trees. It's Environmental Design's hydraulic tree spade. At 28 feet wide, 24 feet high, and weighing 250,000 pounds, or the weight of 40 Suburbans. Environmental Design's hydraulic tree spade is one serious piece of lumber. Give this big lug an hour, and it can gouge out a 9-foot deep, 27 cubic yard, 100,000-pound divot of earth, containing trees of up to 100 feet tall, and then transport and transplant them into their new digs in a snap. In fact, this is the largest tree mover on Earth, and a sweet solution for the Sugarland, Texas landscaping project, where developers are transplanting this area's signature pecan trees.
Well, a tree this size, that's a pecan tree. It's probably 75 years old. The root ball, the part that is encapsulated by the spade, weighs about 80,000 pounds. This is an old farm, a 10,000-acre farm that was originally owned by the Imperial Sugar Company. The tree that is being moved for what will be called Lake Point Town Center. Using this machine, it will look like it's been here, at least the tree portion of it, for 50 years. It's a traffic stopper. Oftentimes, we'll be disguised by either the plant material or work that's going on, and people will see just the head or the canopy of the tree moving as if the tree is escaping from the forest.
What the hydraulic tree spade is helping these trees escape is a date with a chainsaw, and giving them the chance to set down, well, new roots.
Well, in the old days, the only alternative, if you had a site that had existing mature trees on, was to cut them down, and that used to be the standard until the tree spade this size was invented. The whole horticultural idea is to surgically cut the tree out of the ground. The machine is a series of blades encapsulated in a ring. The ring has an opening gate mechanism in the back that opens up. You back around the tree, you close it, you pin it, you set it down, and then the knives or the blades are hydraulically inserted in the ground. There's a hydraulic pump that presents about 80,000 pounds of force to the tip end of the blade.
That's like standing a big rig atop each of this tree transporter's 9-foot scalpels.
If there is a root that's not cut, 750,000 pounds of combined force will overcome whatever it is that's in the ground. We lift it out of the ground and then take it over to the receiving hole. If the tree is properly cared for after the fact, we'll regenerate new roots, and you'll have a tree that is healed and in condition to grow.
While there are only 3 of these hydraulic spades in the entire world, they've still managed to save thousands of trees from getting the job. Meaning developers and environmentalists alike can finally agree on one thing. 2 green thumbs up for Environmental Design's tree spade.
98% of the trees that we have moved are growing, and I go back and visit them. It's a very rewarding piece of the business. This is the tree. It's in its final location. We'll give it a feeding and a slight pruning, and it's good here now. It's good for me, it's good for the developer, and it's good for my grandkids in the future.
Chill out. We're seconds away from our next machine.
Coming up, if you want to tow this,